Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of storage on the application of Facebook. If we click on settings, in this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list here you will search about the application of Facebook. You will find it here and you can click. Then this page of app info, we click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching.